Hello, today I want to talk to you about IRS transcripts and how you can use the IRS account transcripts to kind of get an idea of what's going on with your tax return. The IRS had taken this option away back in 2015 going into 2016 because people were misusing the system and things like that. So now the IRS has redesigned this with their new website, and they've made it so you can actually view transcripts back online again. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to irs.gov and up in the search bar type in get transcripts to be able to get to this page, or you can go to irs.gov slash individuals slash get transcripts and it'll bring you to this page. You're going to want to order transcripts online. You want to be able to view them online. You don't want to order them by mail. By mail is not going to help you out. It's going to take days for you to get your transcript, and you're not going to know what's going on in the background and if things are being updated or whatnot on your account. So you want to log in and create a username and go through the steps that you need to be able to get verified with the IRS's website and be able to use the online services. Used any of the IRS's services um, or logged in with them before, you just use the same login and password and log in and be able to view your transcripts online. Um, some of those services are, if you viewed your transcripts online, viewed anything to do with your tax account, got an identity protection PIN, used an online payment agreement, or e-postcard services, that all those services from the IRS would give you a username and password that would get you into this. You'll need to provide a financial account number and mobile phone number if you haven't already done so with the IRS to be able to view these online. And they do verify your financial account number and mobile phone number with Equifax, a credit reporting agency, to be able to determine your identity and who you are. Once you're able to log into your account, you'll want to um, take a look at the dashboard there. It's going to have all the tax years. It should go back about 10 years. All the tax years in your dashboard there and the types of transcripts you can order. You're going to want to look for your account transcript, and you're going to want to look for the most recent um, tax year. So if we're in 2017, you're going to want to look for 2017 account transcripts. And when you click on that account transcripts, this is what you're going to see. Once you're able to view the PDF of your account transcripts, you're going to see something along the lines of like this one right here. This is just an example here. But basically what we're looking at here is the box highlighted in red. That is going to be the tax return due date. That would be April 15th, 2017. That's when taxes were due by. Actually, they were due by April 18th, but the IRS, the fiscal year runs to the 15th. And then, most people, they're looking for the cycle date. The cycle date is the number you're going to see here, where you're going to see a code next to it, 150, the tax return filed. This is going to let you know that the IRS has began to process your return. This is the day that it went into their system there at the IRS, and this is the day that they're going to start processing your return. Here I'm going to show you the breakdown on how we figure out the cycle date and that date that they began processing your return. Highlighted here, this is an example. We've got 2015 7/5. The 2015 is the tax filing year that you're filing your taxes. The 7 is the week of the year. It's the 7th week of the year that the IRS accepted your return. And then the 5 is the processing day of the week. This is the day of the week that they accepted it. The days are listed here. 1 is Friday. The IRS week begins on a Friday. 2 is Monday. 3 is Tuesday. 4 is Wednesday. And 05 is Thursday. So you can use this little chart right here to help you out and determine the day of the week and what day it was that they began to process your return. This image here is the IRS's processing cycles. This comes directly from the IRS manual. This is where you find the date for your cycle codes that you're seeing on your account transcript next to the 150 code. We've simplified this on refundtalk.com. We've designed this little image right here. Basically all you got to do is take your cycle date and find it in our list here, and it'll tell you the date that they began to process your tax return. in this example here, we've got a account transcript. It's got the 150 tax return filed. That's the date. It's got your cycle code over there. The date that the IRS began to file your return, and then it's got the standard 806 saying that they've got your W-2 or 1099 information. Then we've got the 766 code, which is a credit to your account, and then the 768 earned income credit. This right here is a good transcript, account transcript. If you're seeing this, that probably means that you're on your way to getting a refund. There shouldn't be any problems. Now, if you'd see any additional codes show up on there, that's when you may have to submit some additional information. But if you're seeing, this basic code right here, you should be in good shape. You're just, waiting to get a refund date. Here's an example of another account transcript. This one's got more codes on it. This person here, they had an offset where they had owed some debt, and so some changes were made to their account. So each one of those transactions and changes that are made to the account, they're posted here with the code over on the left hand side. On our website, you can, at refundtalk.com, you can use our IRS Pocket transcript guide, and you can look up your code on there, and it'll give you an explanation to what is going on with your refund, and what the holdup is. If you're seeing a 570 code, this is a freeze code, and it usually there's no determination to when this code will be lifted. You probably most likely have to give the IRS more information, or your account's under review, and they can't give you any more information or until the review or whatnot's over. They get all the information that they need. So the 570 code, you could see that for one day, or maybe 3 or 4 months. It just depends how long it takes for them to get your account resolved and get all the information entered into the account that they need to be able to finalize your refund and get you your refund. This transcript here shows an 846 refund issued code. This is what you're waiting for. This is what you want your account transcript to look like. If it has this 846 code on it, that means you should be getting your refund. The date next to it, the 3/14/2016, that's an estimated date of should be your direct deposit date, but if you get a check, it could be a little bit longer. But if you get a direct deposit, you should have it by that date over there, the 3/14/2016. That's on the right hand side there. But if you've got the 846 code, you should be in good shape. You should have a refund within 5 to 10 days after you see your transcripts update online with this 846 code in there. I hope this video could help some people out to get a better idea of how you can use your account transcripts to get an idea of what's going on. The Where's My Refund site, the information that it gives you there is just very basic, and it leaves a lot of people waiting for answers. And if there is something going on in the background, of your return, if you have to do something like verify something or submit more information to the IRS, you'll be waiting for a letter, maybe for a week or two before you get something. So you can use this information here to kind of get an idea, look at your account transcripts, follow the codes, see what codes are showing up, see what's going on in real time, in the background with your tax return. I hope this information can help you guys out. I'll post some links in the bottom of the video here that will direct you to our website, where you can find these charts. We will update everything for 2018, and everything will be, ready for 2018. Thank you very much.